An abandoned camp far from civilization lies a secret. Will that secret be unveiled? Find out on today's nerve-shattering adventure on MotoCheez.
Nice out today. Gotta take advantage of the nice days. Gonna capture a little drone footage too. A little over an hour ride.
A few moments later.
When I first started, I was like, this isn't too bad. The air's a little nipply, and then after about a half an hour, I was like, DR400. Oh yeah, that's always good. Triggering some people doing them hand signals. Something power. I don't think those motorcycle hand signals are politically correct nowadays. That's a lot of moo. Don't do it. Don't do it. Moo. I can't help myself. I'm in Australia, mate. I'm driving on the left hand of the road. I know a lot of you Australians watch my videos. Put another shrimp on the barbie for me. I know when I watch some of you guys' videos, when you're driving on the left hand side of the road, it kind of freaks me out a little bit. Hit it! Oh yeah, there's where the 650 shines. There's no substitute for cubic inches. There's them hand signals again. I think maybe if you put your hand up and you do a peace sign, it may not offend people. I don't know. People get offended pretty easily. The Spud Shack. 11. I don't even know what time it is. Oh, it's almost 11 now. That right turn hand signal? Yeah. That's pretty non-politically correct. It looks very white or black power.
Is that why did they stop doing that?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I think you might have to throw a peace sign in there or something. I don't know. I'm just making it up. Right, stop, left, yeah.
EJ does this all the time. Like, EJ, that's stop.
Right.
Right. No, that's right. That's
right.
What year is this?
Oh.
Oh. You know what I'm talking about. Oh.
It's clean though for an 00. See the mileage on it? I only got it 52. It's got 60. Oh, and I did put the seat on.
Breakfast burgers.
Breakfast burgers.
Pretty sketchy.
The pool boys had his day off today.
Wow, an old Yoda.
Try this before I open the hood.
Oh yeah.
Might be something in here.
How many miles are on that thing? Can you see it?
It has 283,000 miles.
Oh yeah.
First time this thing probably opened in a few years.
Oh man.
Holy grail of Toyota. Let's see.
Find out.
Ready? Oh no, right. Are you kidding me?
There's some stuff on the outside.
Yeah, but not in here.
Put that cover back on too. Someone may end up wanting that, huh?
Look, I'm stocked hardware shelf.
That's a Progresso tomato can.
Yeah. Palm and Italian. Right up your alley. Compressor for a big freezer or something.
Yeah, freezer compressor.
Oh.
Some hot tray. Yeah. Oh, there's definitely some old paint in there.
This is like pretty thickly made. Is it insulated? They must have insulated it.
Well, apparently this was where that compressor went. This is a freezer.
Yep.
Minwax.
Oil. How good do you think this Drano is?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, an old tractor.
That's like a really old tractor.
What the hell?
What the hell kind of contraption is that? It's got old Malibu.
Oh, it's a Malibu?
I think so. Yep, they're real nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, it's a wagon, dude.
Holy shit, it is a wagon.
Holy cow. That's a fat heater cord. That can't be for this. Wow. This had the jump seat in the back, too.
Watch that floor.
Wow.
Are they like fingerprints?
Oh man.
Creepy.
Number 8. Yeah, they got a stoned bear. Jessica and Nick was here.
Go Nick.
Oh man, that clock radio? Bonanza clock radio.
Classic.
What radio station?
95 and a half. And this is okay.
Somebody's work boots.
Okay. Alana.
There's a washcloth. BX cable. If you're here trying to kill me, clap your hands.
It's like somebody just put it here.
I know.
Piece of wood here.
Oh, there's some old clothes. Nice sweatshirt. Oh, that's an old jacket.
That is some sweet corduroy. Made in Austria for Lord and Taylor.
Yeah, this tree definitely took over the house. There's no Motorola. Poor little fella. That was $400. $100. Oh, record. Ooh,
Probably grabbing a
it's
whole
spongy.
bunch of goo.
Damn.
Subscription to something. Jesus Christ, what am I touching? $100, 1966. Austrian.
Look at this old Garland stove.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Wow. These are vinyl. They're not Bakelite, so. Lawnmower. Old water tower. Seen better days, that's for sure. Oh yeah, what is that behind there?
Yeah, I don't know. Another little cabin.
Let's go check it out.
This is a good day to take off, I feel.
Definitely. Nothing?
Nothing that worthwhile.
No. These are what? The bathhouses. That's what they were. I think so. This thing's seen better days. Wow, look at that big speaker.
There's Jennifer again.
That's a big horn on that.
Oh, yeah.
No, watch, there's nails sticking up on those boards. Hope you got your tetanus up.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Tracy Lou.
82.
Tammy and Ronnie.
Where's Nick?
Nathan Alley.
Natalie.
79 to 82. Huh. Oh, really? Hmm.
Maybe it was our 80s that closed down.
Oh, someone's shoes. Holy shit, someone might be living in here.
No way.
Dude.
For real?
Wow.
There's a dead body in here?
There's Corey, 77 to 82.
Core.
We might be able to get in this one. These are in terrible shape, huh? Look at them old cots.
They just need a mattress.
Yeah.
It's like the 80s. The green and the pink must be boys and girls, maybe? Okay, whoa. Sorry. Ross. Debbie.
The Red Room.
Somebody wrote something here.
Loney Wiener.
What?
Yeah, I've had one of those when I was single for a while. Another Loney Wiener. She'd be easy to find.
Loney.
There's some alcohol going on here at the camp. What the hell?
How's that thing?
I don't know. It's got a twist top though. This is a ketchup. That's an old ketchup bottle there.
Hell's in it. Shit.
Moss. That one over there is done. Loney Wiener went here.
Pony Wiener was everywhere.
She was everywhere. If we find her on the boys' side, we know they didn't have a lonely wiener.
Their wieners are not lonely.
Their wieners weren't lonely. All the nuts are falling. Hope we don't get hit by them. I'm sure Loney Wiener got hit by plenty of them. Oh. Yeah, this one's done. Definitely done. Mother Nature took it back.
How far do you think?
We can't get in that door. Not worth going in. It's the same as all the other cabins. I don't know what that is. Look at that. That gem. Tonka. Oh, they got baby pumpkins. What are these things? Look at this. What was this, like the main house?
I think this is the main house, yeah. Where all the higher up were.
Wow.
This is Foundation.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look, there's nothing wrong with the fucking.
It's all lath construction.
Yeah.
There was a stairs going up there at one
No
point.
sheetrock here, bub.
This is pretty sketchy. Holy shit, the floor is already sagging. I'm fatter than you, so.
How did you heat a house like this back then?
Wood.
Lots of wood.
Lots of wood.
Kinda.
Oh yeah, there's a basement. Let's get to the basement, huh? What the hell was that?